In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Google Ads keyword research in 2025. This streamlined process is vital for achieving effective online advertising and ensuring that your campaigns hit the target audience efficiently. Let's dive in and walk you through it step by step, all in just 5 minutes. First, head over to Google Ads. This is the hub where you can orchestrate your advertising efforts, attracting customers and boosting your sales via online advertising. You can access it by simply typing Google Ads into your search bar and clicking on the official link that pops up. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. If you already have a Google Ads account, just enter your credentials to log in. If you're new, you'll need to set up an account first, which is a simple process involving setting up your billing information and preferences. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads homepage. This is the central place for all your advertising campaigns and data. From here, look for the campaign tab on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will display your current campaigns or prompt you to start a new one if you haven't yet created any. Campaigns are central to your Google Ads success as they organize your advertising efforts by goals, audience, and more. Next, you'll initiate a new campaign by clicking on that new campaign button. This will open up a series of prompts guiding you to set your campaign goals, such as increasing website traffic or sales. Filling in these details is essential as they will align your keyword research exactly with your business objectives. Once you've set up your campaign details, it's time to move into the keyword phase, a crucial step in ensuring your ads reach the right audience. You'll find the keywords section within your campaign setup. Clicking on it will open up a realm where you can start researching potential keywords and phrases prospects are searching for. Here, you can either input keywords you've brainstormed or use Google's suggestions. The tool offers insights into keyword performance, competitive metrics, and search volume, helping you make informed decisions about which keywords are worth targeting. Set some time aside to experiment within the keywords tool, trying various combinations and noting the statistics provided. This will refine your approach further and help you zero in on the most cost-effective terms that align with your campaign's goals. Understanding these statistics will enhance the relevance and reach of your ads, potentially saving on your budget while increasing returns. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to conduct keyword research for Google Ads in 2025. Practice this regularly and you'll see your advertising campaigns performing more effectively, reaching the ideal audiences. Thank you for joining this session and happy marketing.